If you're traveling to Cancun with kids and trying to decide whether the family two-bedroom suite at the Hilton All-Inclusive Cancun is worth it, I want to walk you through every detail on what it's like to actually stay here for 5 nights. And starting from the very beginning, when you check in, you're given a wristband that acts as your room key. You just tap it to enter your room. No key cards, no digging through your beach bag, no worrying about kids losing anything. Now let's step inside. When you walk in, you enter a true living room space. And what surprised me most was not just the size, but how usable it truly was. There's a couch and seating area, and then this larger TV built into a bookshelf style divider. Behind that divider is a king bed area. It gives just enough separation to feel slightly private. Totally fine for immediate family, but I will say if you're sharing this suite with extended family, it might feel a little open. There's a stocked fridge that gets refilled daily, drinks, potato chips, Oreos, which is a really nice win for kids. Another detail I loved, there are standard plugs with USB ports by each bed, and each room had a clock with a built in wireless charger, which I thought was such a smart touch. It's only on one side of the bed, not both, but still really convenient, especially when it's on yours. On the king side, you'll also see two floor to ceiling wardrobes, one that is a full hanging and one that is a half hanging with drawers on the bottom. Then you have a bathroom on that side. Two sinks, a soaking tub in the center, a private toilet area with door, and a separate shower with a door. The shower pressure and temperature were great, and both the shower and the tub had handheld sprayers, which is really helpful with little kids. The water stayed contained when showering and no flooding issues. Also, just something to know about the water in Mexico. When filling the tub, once there was, a decent amount of water in there, you could see a slight yellow tint. Not from me, just from mineral differences. Our kids still took baths without issues, but it is something that you'll notice. One call out about the bathrooms is that the separate toilet and shower doors in both bathrooms are not floor to ceiling. So if you're concerned about noise, it could be something to be mindful of. And a tip, store your bags underneath the sink area. It worked perfectly after we are done unpacking. Now, on the opposite side of the suite is a true second bedroom with two queen beds and its own full bathroom. Again, two sinks, private toilet area, and separate shower. And this is where this room really shines. The storage is incredible. In the queen room alone, there are 8 drawers, eight, plus hanging space and a safe in that room. Once we unpacked, everything had a place and it truly did not feel cluttered. For beach vacation with multiple swimsuits, sandals, dinner outfits, this truly made a difference with all of the usable space and storage. Now let's talk about sleep and noise because that really matters when you're traveling with kids. We overlooked the terrace lobby. During our 5 night stay, one night there was a glow party and it was at about until 10 o'clock where it ended. We could see lights and hear music, but once it ended, it was completely quiet. And the rest of the stay was pretty peaceful. We didn't hear neighbors, no hallway door slamming, no fridge noise. The AC was quiet. The blackout curtains were excellent. Ton of natural light when they were open, but dark enough for naps when they were closed. The beds were also on the better end for hotel beds, far above beaches resorts, but below our really, really nice bed at home. Sheets were crisp, everything felt very clean, and housekeeping did a full clean daily, and snacks restocked, and there was also an evening turn down service. A couple things to know. Our room did not have a balcony. With little kids, that can feel like a safety plus, but it does mean you're drying swimsuits inside. I would have loved a few more towel hooks, but overall, the suite felt thoughtfully designed for families. And it wasn't just spacious, it was functional. For our immediate family, the extra bathroom and storage alone made it worth it. In my next video, I'll show a full resort experience: food, pools, kid activities, and whether we'd come back. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and put any questions in the comments.